Pakinggan natin ang mensahe ni Jovelyn Gonzaga sa kaarawan ni Sarah G. Happy birthday, Sarah G! Deserve mong I celebrate tong araw na to kasi we've seen you grow a lot and changed a lot for the better. Witnessing you being a very responsible mom to Amara. Nakaka-proud ka. Saludo kami sa katatagan mo, knowing na you've been through so much yet you still chose to be kind and forgiving. Napakalawak ng pag-unawa and pag-intindi mo. As your kumers, we're very lucky having you as one of our trusted. Sa mga bagay na takot ka dahil di mo alam paano simulan. See 100K views and counting na. Flying again. Nakita namin ulit yung excitement mo, the check mo kung may lipad ka. Raising Amara. Nag-iisip ka kung paano siya palakihing mabuting tao. Takot ka kung paano siya palakihing matapang. You're setting as a good example. She'll be one. You're doing a very good job. From feeling paralyzed to building your own castle real quick, wear that and that smile always. Continue winning in life. Please remember that you can count on us every step of the way. Dito in kami, 24 paghahati 7. Cheers to 32 anili.